Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gorgoni here. I hope everybody's hanging in there, and I hope everybody's having as good of a day as you can amidst all of this craziness. So today, you guys are supposed to be taking notes on teeth, and at this point in the day, which unfortunately is kind of late, I was supposed to have a lecture video taped for you. At least that was my plan. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get to it. The notes are up there, and you can start copying all of the note information into your composition book. And tonight, my plan is to get that lecture recorded for you. I finally realized after a lot of tries that I need to upgrade my membership on this program so I can do things longer than 15 minutes. So anyhow, hopefully we'll have that done tonight, and then we'll have it out to you. At least that will give more content, information to the notes that you're taking. But still, get that information copied into your composition book, and then also keep working on that chapter 16 homework packet. I don't expect you to have it all done in one day, and in fact, it probably will take you the week to finish, so please work through the week on that. Now, that chapter 16 homework packet, you need to use the Lumen PDF in order to edit it, or at least to write on it. Please watch my tutorial. It actually shows you with that activity how to use Lumen PDF, how to sync Lumen PDF. We've had some issues with students that hopefully I've able to solve, but it has given me a little bit of insight into it, so I may make another tutorial for you, more updated. But what I've found is that before you try to sync that Lumen PDF, you need to change the name. So type in your first name, period, second name, colon, and then leave the name that was already up top, just like you would do in a Google Drive. Then you can sync it back into your Google Drive. Now remember, this is after you download it. Watch the tutorial, that will help you. Okay? If anybody has any questions, please email me. Some people are having issues using, even accessing Lumen PDF, and that's a simple fix with Mr. Hernandez. So all you got to do is just shoot me an email. I'll get it fixed probably within the day. Okay? If there's ever any questions, as always, guys, please email me and have a wonderful day. Talk to you tomorrow.